Hey, it's Carter Paulsgrove, and I want to talk about something super exciting, POTS lines. Yeah, maybe not. But for some of you out there, you might remember being a kid and the power would be lost to the house, but the phone would still work. Those were copper POTS lines. The power was coming from the local CO. And those things were used up to a couple of years ago for alarm panels, fax, fire, elevator, and primarily because if you lost power to the building or you lost internet services, these things still work because they were literally plugged into the building via copper lines. That infrastructure is all going away. In 2019, the FCC deregulated POTS lines and opened up the opportunity for providers like Momentum. So we have spent years and now recently developed a partnership where we're now providing a specialized gateway that goes on-prem and connects back to Momentum via an LTE service. And if you have existing ISP service, we can connect to you. But this specialized gateway is going to hand analog service off to your alarm panel, your fire panel, your fax, your elevator. Alarm and fire is interesting because over the decades, all the different systems that are out there, there's about a dozen different signal types that are required. Faxing needs to be secure, and elevator outbound is voice, inbound is data. Our specialized gateway handles all that communication. Most cases there's an existing DMARC or 66 block that already has internal wiring done. But this specialized gateway comes with an 8-hour battery and LTE. So if you lose power, we still can power these systems. If you lose connectivity, look via the ISP, there's LTE as a primary, ISP being secondary. So in this scenario, what I wanted to show you was about what it would cost. So for 4 lines, the specialized gateway and the LTE, it's about $320. The gateway varies from 4 to 8 to 24 ports, and then you just subscribe per line. So there's a monthly recurring for each line, and then the gateway can get bigger or smaller. But in this scenario, I used a 4-port gateway for 4 lines with the LTE, right around $320 is the monthly on that. We can think about what analog lines, POTS lines are costing customers these days. With them being phased out, this is a bargain. So I look forward to working with you and your customers on our new POTS line replacement, CloudLine. Thanks for watching.